Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Walking around a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT with you today. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. We'd love to know what you think about our Challenger. Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll get you notifications about these walkarounds as they're made, keeping you up to date with our new inventory. We do this as a way of being transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of the video, you'll be able to hear the exhaust note and the engine running on the Challenger, so let's go ahead and start your walk around. Okay, we are walking around the Challenger. As you can see, it's got great tread on the tires. There's almost nothing to see up here because it's so tiny. Very tiny chips right up here. And that is really about it. The finish is in amazing condition, especially for being 10 years old. But it does have 36,000 miles on it. Well above average condition. Has been taken care of, obviously. No dents, no dings, no heavy scratches. Roof is in impeccable shape as well. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, let's look at what you don't see in our photos, which is the visors on this side, the headliner, and of course the top of the dash. All are in like new condition in this 10-year-old car. But if you have any questions about condition or finance options or shipping options, please contact Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Remember to stay tuned and hear the exhaust note and the engine running, and hopefully you'll join us for our next walk around.